This video demonstrates how to perform a health check on the MRS cluster. Fusion Insight Manager provides the health check function. Administrators can quickly check the health status of clusters and rectify existing or potential problems. Administrators can manually perform health check on the OMS, cluster, service, and host. They can also perform health check on specified services or hosts as required. The system supports the configuration of automatic health check tasks, so that the system can obtain the health check results and determine the system running status in different phases. Next, I will show you how to perform a manual or scheduled cluster health check. The check scope includes the OMS, cluster, all services, and hosts. Log in to Fusion Insight Manager as the admin user. Choose O&M Health Check. Click Start Check to start the health check for all installed clusters and OMS. After the health check is complete, you can expand the check result. To view the detailed check items of each module, click Help to view the description of the check items and the restoration guide. Click Export Report to download the detailed check report to the local computer. You can also click Configuration and set Periodic Health Check to enable. The health check interval can be set daily, weekly, or monthly as required. And click OK to configure the automatic health check task. In addition to performing full health check on OMS, cluster, services, and hosts, the system can also perform health check on specified objects, such as services and hosts. This video demonstrates how to perform a health check on a specified host. Next, we will demonstrate how to perform a health check for a specified host. Click Hosts. Select the host for which the health check is to be performed. After the health check is complete, you can expand the check result. You can also click Export Report to download the detailed check report of the host to the local host. In the health check list, you can view details about historical check tasks and download the check reports of different tasks to the local computer for comparison.